Hello and welcome to another episode of Healthy Mondays. My name is Sarthak Kapoor from DI Vida Videos. Today we'll be talking about the causes of insomnia. Insomnia is one of those problems which has many causes. In this episode, we'll try to cover as many of them as possible. In my opinion, the main cause for insomnia is basically poor sleeping habits. Human body is actually very smart and has its own biological clock. It knows the time you eat, sleep and get up. Well, if today you sleep at 10 p.m., tomorrow at 12 and day after that at 2 a.m., the biological clock actually gets confused and fails to figure out what's the actual time to sleep, which in result makes you an insomniac. So first of all, fix your sleeping habits and sleep at the same time every day. Also, having your dinner just right before going to the bed is another reason for insomnia. You should keep a gap of at least 2 hours between your dinner and your sleeping time. Drinking too much of coffee or consuming nicotine or alcohol, especially at evening or night, is another reason for insomnia. Most of the people who are involved in sedentary jobs like working in front of a computer all day long often complains that they don't get proper sleep at night. Main reason for this could be their low activity level. Though they are working all day long, but their physical activity level is actually low. Stress is another major reason for insomnia. We keep thinking about something or the other which stresses our body and mind. Often, stress also leads to depression, which on its own is another reason for insomnia. Many a times, insomnia can also be caused by medications. Antibiotics make a negative side effect on our sleep and hence cause insomnia. In recent studies, it is proved that blue light emitting from the screens of mobile phones, laptops, iPads or TVs can also be a major cause for insomnia. So friends, in this episode of Healthy Mondays, I told you the major causes for insomnia. Tomorrow in Techie Tuesdays, I'll tell you how your smartphone can actually help you to cure insomnia. Stay tuned and hit the subscribe button right here if you haven't yet.